Attach to nothing and have no obstacles on any level. Get everything done without taking action. Ming Yuan, the final method of 9 within the Ren Xue Yuan Qigong system, is also known as a method for great realization and wisdom, and the convergence of 10,000 methods. The word Ming refers to the full and complete manifestation of innate human wisdom. It is a method that accompanies us in every moment of our day. In this method, we do not stand and do a moving Qigong practice at predetermined times in our day, nor do we sit for long spans of time activating awareness and Qi within. Instead, every moment of life offers itself as our practice, and Ming Yuan guides us in the specific ways we can more effectively engage and uplift these moments. It uses a simple structure for the awareness and cultivation of 7 special supportive states, as well as to develop greater alertness for the manifestation of 20 common behavioral patterns that disrupt our progress towards realization and wisdom. Being the method for great realization, we should understand what that is. Great realization is the process that unfolds after continual, dedicated, vigilant awareness of and devotion to the realization of the true self. And far beyond and onwards, even after that point, beyond the entry level of what is commonly known as enlightenment. Great realization is a special stage of human development that includes a level of near-perfect manifestation of the most profound and powerful abilities of the true self, which includes special abilities. At this stage, unhealthy patterns of the consciousness are non-existent, and the ability to uplift one's own life and that of others develops to a very high level. At the level of great realization, we no longer have any attachments to our feelings, emotions, pain, joy, ideas, beliefs, things, people, nor anything that was previously internalized as being important or significant to the persona we used to believe was ourself. We are, at this stage of understanding, no longer attached to theories, methods, rules, experiences, or even so-called normal, healthy patterns of consciousness. In order to get even close to this great realization, we need to first be clear about the gift each moment in life offers as a chance to see more clearly our true self, and how this true self is significantly different from the patterned, habituated persona we have been taught to believe is me. We also need profound supportive states of the heart to uphold the true self as it guides our life in ways that our habituated persona may in the past not have judged to be in our best interests. For some, this process of distinguishing the true self from the false master unfolds in time as one grain of sand piling up on top of another, eventually culminating in the gentle arrival at that point of seeing one's true nature in all its radiance, this being the entry level of enlightenment. For others, a sudden, unexpected, inexplicable transformation happens, where who they were yesterday has been replaced with a fundamentally new experience of self and the world. Within Ren Xue, realization is described as waking up from sleeping and regaining clarity. It is the moment of seeing one's own heart and true nature, or discovering the true self. Ming Yuan is the method for fostering conditions for this clarity of true self in each and every moment of life, and once our true self has fully manifested, Ming Yuan continues to provide detailed guidance for the essential, never-ending purification of the tails of the patterns and identifications. While we are incarnate as a human, it would be extremely rare for this transformation to ever be fully done. This ongoing process of purification and transformation allows our wisdom to grow, bringing never-ending realizations about the laws of the universe and the true self's connection with all that is. The practice of Ming Yuan rests on cultivating internal states that support this fundamental change to our human nature. In each moment, we pay attention to stabilizing these states, irrespective of what is arising externally, whether pleasant or unpleasant, attractive or disturbing. These states have their own particular meaning within the Ren Xue system, ensuring we are clear about what we are doing in each moment. The states are relaxed, calm, natural, integrated and unified, harmonious, Jurcha, which is the awareness that arises from the true self. Ultimately, the following words from Yuan Tze unfold themselves in our daily experience. Becoming eternally one with nature and the universe, sharing the same breath and the same destiny, naturally unified with the wisdom of the universe and Tao, nowhere and everywhere, all of the time, at the same time.